All right, Midwest Picker here. Me and Mrs. Midwest are going to go garage sailing today. Look at this beautiful day. Isn't that gorgeous? Everything's turning green, so I got the GoPro. I'm going to actually make video this time of garage sales. There are some estate sales. I don't know that we have time for them, but maybe. We'll see. So stick around. I'll show you some treasure.
Mira, pozos solares. Mira. Está suben.
A tag or a price on it, yes. Okay. Everything, please take it all.
Don't tempt me.
Okay. Well, let's go.
I guess I'm asking is there more?
Yes. Attached garage there.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
I know there's something I have to have. I just got to find it.
Oh, there's lots of stuff you have to have, I'm sure. Need a nail gun? I think we got a couple left.
Impact sockets I'm always looking for.
Yeah, I can't help you because I don't know what that is.
They're I'll show you. It looks like this, but they're black.
Okay, okay,
So they're just different, but they're sockets.
okay,
Usually comes in a little kit.
okay.
I don't think I've seen any.
No, okay. So that whole wrench set is 60,
Yeah,
10 piece.
yep.
Oh man. Yeah, you know what the wife would say.
No, I don't care.
What? I know you don't. She was gonna say, "What are you gonna do with that?" Oh,
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna hang it on the wall at a minimum.
Yeah, they're awesome. You don't see that very often.
Not that many.
That size, yeah.
No.
Dan used to, my other half that passed in January, used to work on dump trucks
Oh wow.
when they had an excavation company, so,
So he was a heavy duty man.
yes, he was.
Nice.
Yes.
I'm sorry to hear he passed. That's sad.
Thank you. Yeah. Look at all the treasures he left me behind, you know?
Well, you know, I tell everybody I have a lot of collectibles and stuff I have, but I'm just the temporary steward. When I pass, somebody else will have them. so.
Yeah, yeah, they'll find a good home.
Oh yeah, everything does.
Yes. How are you? Good.
Oh, shoes, $2 each. That is cool.
Yeah, what size are you?
Me, 8, 7.
Here. They're 8s.
These are 8.
Yeah, it's like real wood.
Yeah.
Wonder what brand it is.
Huh?
Wonder what brand it is. Mm.
Okay. We got bait or
This one's a lightweight.
Yeah. I like those big wire laundry
Yeah.
carts, whatever you call them.
Yeah.
Those are great for flea markets.
That's the transfer tub seat and the waste toilet seat in the boxes.
Okay.
They're new, they never, as you can see, they haven't been used.
Yeah. Not bad for $30. Mongoose.
yeah, I did both. But there's no like coffee thing, so I don't. So that's what
Right, Max would like that.
Right.
Oh, I know these. Yeah, it's a series of chefs.
Yeah.
Gotta watch the height.
I never had that problem.
Yeah. Little dog cage. This will be from Max's nephew.
Yeah. Chocolate lab. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and when they
I'll take the TV trays. They're 15.
Yeah, everybody has friends, right? Yeah. Exactly. Around here. I know, navigate around everything. Yeah, $5, Martha.
Are you interested at all in the Schwinn's either? No. They're just so happy that I think. You get 75 to 100 bucks a piece out of them. I'm only asking 50 to get.
They're just too hard for me to move. Like I said, I tried selling a comfort bike, spiders on it, and I ended up being $65 after spiders on it. Because I thought that, it was a nice looking bike, nice looking bike, and it was called a commuter bike, and it had fenders on it, and it was a 700C, so it was that size wheel with a little bit wider tire. And, it was a 21 speed. So, but, yeah, the beat.
Cool. Fill a bag. Garage sale. Sign says garage sale. No, they don't cut theirs at all. Oh, that's cute.
That thing over there, and it has all of them.
Yeah, I remember here's the day before. Yeah. Yeah, we were over here. A little early for us. How much for that one? What's that? How much for that one? I'd like to get 10. Yeah, those are all marked. Those are 8 and that buck. The one's 10. Those are all 5. But here's a. Yeah, I think it's same. It looks similar.
Yeah, I'm outside if you're all set. All right, we're back in the eBay office. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what I got. Boy, am I tired. We went to about 16 garage sales today. All right, so I got this plant food magic root cover up, I think. No, it's not for plants, it's for hair. So this is what I saw at the garage sale. Definitely pick this up. This was $3. So this brand L'Oreal is very, very good. Makeup, hair products, whatever. Obviously, it's got to be new in the package. I'll put some comps up on the screen. As soon as I saw this, I made a beeline for it. That is a really good pickup for $3. And then Paul Bunyan had a garage sale and was selling his tools. This is the biggest one. This is a 2-incher. This is red paint. So I'm gonna have to clean that up a little bit. Oh, that's 1 7/8. This one, oh man, oh, this is the 2-incher. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but these are ginormous. She wanted $60 for all of them. There might be video of this. I can't remember. I offered her $50 and she said yes. These will clean up very nice. I think they're made in Taiwan, but they're very, very big. I'll put some comps on the screen. So that looks like surface rust, but it's not. The smaller ones here do have surface rust, but that will clean up really good. These things are huge. All right, so that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. That was my first time out wearing the chest-mounted GoPro. Nobody had a problem with it. People were cool. Not all the garage sales were worth recording, so I turned it off and zipped my coat up over it because they were just small garage sales. Baby clothes, that was about it. So I just showed you the better ones. Hit that thumbs up on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. The next video coming out will be a metal detecting video, so that's going to be really awesome. Can't give it away, but I'm going to test my metal detector against EMP. If you don't know what EMP is, Google it. It's me versus the power lines. So stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be pretty cool. Midwest Picker. Till next time, see ya.